Today, the discussion is going from question number 25. Question number 25 is here. Vygotsky proposed that what the child can do today with assistance will be able to do tomorrow. Vygotsky proposed that the child can do today with assistance will be able to do tomorrow. So the question here, tomorrow. Now the options are with a little assistance, with much assistance, without assistance. Yes, answer is without assistance. Vygotsky concepts of zone of proximal development (ZPD) suggests that a child can learn and develop with appropriate guidance and support. Once a child has mastered a skill with assistance, they can perform it independently. And the next question here is 26. The word scaffolding is associated with obviously constructivism theory. What is that? Constructivism theory. And next options are cognitive theory, taxonomic theory. None. The answer is here constructivism theory. Next question 27. Social constructivism represents knowledge as a human product, natural product, unnatural product, divine product. The answer is here 27. The social constructivism is human product. Social constructivism posits that knowledge that is not fixed entity but is created through social interaction and cultural practices and cultural practices and cultural practices. It emphasizes the role of human in shaping their understanding of the world, Okay. And next question, social constructivism represents knowledge as a human product. Next question, in social constructivism, emphasis is laid on instructor, content, learner, none. Social constructivism emphasis is laid on, I think it is learner. So the question here, answer is here for 27. Emphasis on social constructivism is learner. Social constructivism places the learner at the center of the learning process. Next question. A facilitator lectures from the front, supports from the back, just watches. Facilitator. As I think, a facilitator role supports from the back. In social constructivism, social constructivist classroom, the facilitator acts as a guide and supporter, and so helping learners to develop their own understanding. Okay. Now the question, in a social constructivist classroom, the environment should be democratic in nature, autocratic in nature, chaotic, serious in nature. As I think democratic in nature, and the answer is here 29. Facilitator hello. Answer is here classroom democratic in nature. A democratic classroom environment fosters collaboration and critical thinking and respect for diverse perspectives, which are essential component of social constructivism. Next question, question number 31. The problem solving and understanding are emphasized. Problem solving and understanding are emphasized. One dimensional two-dimensional, multi-dimensional constructivism theory? So the answer is multi-dimensional. Social constructivism recognizes that understanding is complex and multifaceted. It emphasizes the importance of considering multiple perspectives and solving problems in a holistic way. Now the question, what 31 or no, 32, what ICT stands for? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. That is 32A. Okay, that is 32A. বাকি না 33 next বলছে যে ICT is dash in decreasing dropouts. ICT is useful. I think it is useful or helpful. Useful 33A. Here the answer is D, both A and C. Yes, the contradiction both A and C hobe. Useful and helpful. Next the question, question number 34, the integration of ICT into education is frequently registered by students, guidance, teachers, government. The integration of ICT into education is frequently registered by, I think, guardians. 34, by teachers. A resistance to ICT integration, the integration is frequently registered by teachers may resist the integration of ICT due to concerns about their technological skills, the effectiveness of ICT based learning, or the potential disruption to traditional teaching methods. The resist কথাটা এখানে কি মিনিং দাঁড়ালো? Teachers may resist the integration of ICT. এই জায়গাটা আমার একটু ক্লিয়ারেন্স দরকার আছে, আমি সেই জন্য এটা একটা, so the meaning actually teachers may resist the integration of ICT due to concerns actually means that teachers might be hesitant to incorporate information and communication technology into their classroom for several reasons: lack of technological skill, doubt about effectiveness, fear of disruption. Some teachers may feel unprepared or uncomfortable using technology, especially if they are older or have limited experience with computer and digital tools. Yes, doubt about effectiveness. Teachers may question whether ICT is effective or not, especially if they have not seen positive results or have negative experiences with technology in the classrooms. Next, fear disruption. Teachers may worry that ICT will disrupt their established teaching routines or challenge their authority in the classroom. They may be concerned about losing control or facing difficulties with classroom management. Overall, this phrase highlighted the potential barriers that teachers may encounter when trying to integrate ICT into their teaching practice. Addressing these concerns is important for promoting the effective use of technology in education. Okay, so obviously the barriers to integrate of ICT, to apply the ICT project, education is frequently registered by actually teachers. And the last question here, one of the 4 pillars of education, learning to live together. And here the answer is 4 pillars of education, learning to live together. And the next option here is learning to debate, learning to disagree. No, learning to live together. This is one of the 4 pillars of education. 4 pillars of education by UNESCO as defined are learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, learning to live together. The last 4 pillars emphasizes the importance of developing social and interpersonal skills. So this is all for today, and the next questions will be discussed on the later video. These are all described from the book MCQ prescribed as Tapoti book policy.